Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change BMW X5 tire full guide. Loosen the lug nuts while the car is grounded, lift with a stable jack, and support with jack stands immediately for safety. Remove the wheel, swap the spare or new tire, and hand thread lug nuts before lowering. Torque lug nuts in a star pattern to the correct specification and recheck torque after a short drive. Gather the right tools: a lug wrench, jack stands, torque wrench, gloves, and wheel chocks, and make sure your spare is inflated. Park on a flat surface and engage the parking brake to prevent rolling. Always use jack stands after lifting and never rely on the jack alone. Keep bystanders clear and use wheel chocks on the opposite wheels for extra security while you change the tire. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tips and guides. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great to keep nearby while you work, and it's perfect for the garage or road trips. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one easily. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Loosen the lug nuts slightly while the wheel is on the ground, then lift with the jack until the tire clears the pavement and set jack stands. Remove lug nuts and the wheel, swap in the spare or replacement, and hand thread nuts to seat the wheel. Lower the vehicle, then torque the lug nuts in a star pattern to the specified value. Inspect the tire and recheck torque after driving a short distance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.